है ना, ये पंगा से नहीं जा रहा है, पंगा से हम नहीं है इनको वाला मेरे ख्याल में पंगा से नहीं जा रहा
There are waterfall, okay? There is for beach, right? Assalamu alaikum and good morning. So today me and Ali,
Good morning.
we are actually heading towards, sorry, I have this bandage for this my mobile holders and mobile motorbikes. So actually we are heading towards Malicao Rock Views San Nicolas. So we are leaving from San Manuel town right now, and it's showing 3 hours and 9 minutes, 130 kilometers, and it's right now 6:20 a.m. in the morning. So this is our journey today. So we will catch you while we are heading towards Malicao Rock all the way, and most probably I will try to connect you live. So there is possibility we can connect on the live as well. So let's see, and we hope we can go up to the top of this mountain, as last year we had went through our this tri bike to Baguio. So I believe we can conquer this today also, our this journey, inshallah.
San Jose City view. वो आंटी खोई खोई सी है आंटी, और बंदे भी ढूंढती होगी ना किसी को।
Cagayan वैली में आ गया, Cagayan वैली। अब फिल्ड मारूंगा, एक और पोस्ट डालता हूँ। आधा घंटा है भजन 36 मिनट आधा घंटा हो वहाँ जाते हैं ऊपर So how do you feel?
Wow, that's outclass. And I would like to mention to my particular viewers, it's more than adventurous than Baguio track. What was the track of the Baguio name? Marcus.
Marcos? Marcos I guess.
Marcus,
Yeah.
right? This particularly is good for the motorbike and as well for the bike is I like it particularly, but since actually I'm not happy with the construction which was made earlier to fix this side bike, because especially for the turning I believe it has to be like so it will be more flexible when you are going to turn. But since I is a bit how somehow I had managed, but for the individual single wide two-wheeler it will be mind blowing. For the SUV or the other vehicle it will be not much adventurous because you will be inside the car all the time, so you will not feel the air, you will not feel the fresh atmosphere which is in outside, so it's awesome, it's amazing. I don't have any words to say, but it's really amazing. And or huge fun for the drive for the sports car, but I will not recommend right now, because especially the curving spots there are frequently we had found on our way, it's uneven, so suddenly if you will come you don't have much room to press the brake, it's like bumping because of the weather over here, because in Philippines all the time it's rain, so it happens, so it's normal, especially for the stopping area and there is a curve, so you will find the bumpy area. Overall it's adventure and I love it, it's fine. But Ali, you would like to add your opinion or something?
Bro?
You want to say something?
No? Only for the road? I don't know road? For the view, let's go. You want to enjoy the view? एक मिनट रुक ये क्या आ रहा है आगे से नहीं वो वेट करेंगे हाँ जी ये वाला इस वन Lagto sino tagal ako sika ikaw magbebenta.
So actually we are here right now in Santa Fe, and the thing is that there are low signals in between some rural areas, so we disconnected the Google and we go down into the towards which side? Santa Fe, I don't know which side, so we lost in between because we're supposed to take one left, so we went ahead. Then suddenly we realized that the times it was earlier showing 36 minutes, it jumps to 1 hour. So anyway, we are in Santa Fe, so just we gas up our water and we are just having some small break. and we got some internet connection here to get our locations updated. So I hope, but in between I have some issue because I have some extra support for the metal rod, which one is disconnected from here down. So that we have to find some welding points to weld this our particular portion. So we'll catch it shortly.
Way of going to Maliko Point, Maliko View Point. Mr. Faisal driving with industrial.
Finally, we are heading towards Maliko View, and it's a very zigzag track. I cannot accelerate the motorbike up to 20 or 30.
Lalo Point.
Turning is very hard, and especially for the tri bike, you are struggling because you have a side car. But it's fun to ride. If you like and you have a keen to interest, so you will gonna make it. Seeing right now, we're about 20-25 minutes still ride and time to us.
Welcome to Imugan. Welcome to Imugan. Imugan.
Very hard to climb, as you can notice it. Very difficult one. Very on that side.
Yeah.
Very hard and tough. Acceleration, my RPM is about 4. Something slow and steady in the second gear. Overall, Ali, what do you say? What do you say? I believe it's more quiet and steady as compared to Bagu. Different. Bagu is such a crowded area and it's like more into commercial. But these areas in particular is like more into tourist place. Like you can say for the outing, making something with your friends. Yes, if you can stand up and
Hello. Take it now.
that's up to you.
ये पॉइंट कितने यार वो छह पे आ गया स्टार्टिंग नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे मैं नहीं खड़ा होना खड़ा पर टिक जाना पीछे बंद कर दो नहीं
How many kilometers now, man?
how many एक मिनट I'm gonna off it यहाँ से हमने यहाँ पे जाना है वो देख लो एक देखो वो देख लो आप मैं यहाँ पे ही है बन गया मैं लीक हो लेकिन वो देख लो यहाँ पे मैप पे देख लो आप जो आपने भेजा ना वो आगे जाके है यही है देखा कोई व्यू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ व्यू इज दैट
Yes, hello boss, Namaste. Where is the Maliko View? From this way?
वो ऊपर आएगा वो रजिस्टर करो आप पहले उसको
All right, okay.
तो बार करो आप पहले हम खाना खाएंगे ना भूख भी आने लगी भाई मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ यार हाँ मैं रजिस्टर भी दिखाना उन्हें
Pwede yung motor sir, kung kaya.
What is it?
वो कह रहा है मोटर जा सकती है ऊपर अगर आप में या मोटर में हिम्मत है ऊपर जाने की
Kaya.
Yes, no problem.
कसं
Kung kakayanin ng driver sir. Pwede sir, kung siya kaya.
आता है मोटर
Oh, pwede sir, kaya siguro. Siguro ah.
What he's telling?
maybe
What?
you can be go up with this
Maybe there is possible.
Pero 5 minutes lang ang lakad sir. 5 minutes.
Ayan po yung
Yan po. Yan.
Japanese shrine.
Ito po siya.
What is actually this one?
कुछ ना कोई व्यू होगा ना यार ऊपर जाके 5
Alright.
मिनट
View deck. But the GPS location is showing more up. There is anything ahead?
अरे आता पे ते पकड़ जा कि जीपीएस लोकेशन में है पकड़ जे भाई ये
The Maliko view.
Baliko
Ano,
viewpoint.
Maliko viewpoint, ito rin lang yun.
Itiri po lang ajay. Itiri lang po yun. Kainan. Baliko viewpoint itiri. Nasuratan lang din Baliko viewpoint.
वो खाने का व्यू है
Itiri
वो
lang
खाना
ajay.
वहाँ पे
Di
है।
Baliko viewpoint ka talaga. Dahil tanga to.
Pero ऊपर है
Baliko.
So we have to go this way or which way?
दिस वे आप
This way.
वो दिखाया था आपको मैंने भी
All right, okay.
Kaya yan. 5 minutes lang. Di ka lang na. Tatlo
5
na.
minutes.
Itulong yun to sir.
वो यार चले
Di ba?
चले
Japanese shrine waterfall.
ano ba meron sa taas
Japanese shrine.
doon lang meron eh
Opo. Tapos yung falls,
There are
this one, waterfall.
waterfall, okay?
Yes.
There is 40 each, right?
For 20.
20 each. 20 each, okay?
दे दिया उसको यार
All right. And